What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Wednesday, July 14th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Tendy Town. That's because all major indexes are green. Crypto is in the green. Low-key kind of deceiving, though, because the meme stocks are getting pretty slammed. But, hope you guys made some tendies. I did pretty well today. What's up, Low Roller? Meme stocks having a reality check? Yeah, well, it was going to come down sometime. Actually, what's his name? The big short guy? Not Steve. What's his name? Michael Burry. He predicted this, like, a couple weeks ago. He said meme stocks are coming down soon. Meme stocks are getting pretty slammed, so, it's kind of hard to feel sorry because at some point this was going to happen. You can't expect AMC to keep running forever, Virgin Galactic, all this stuff. It was going to come down at some point, so, hopefully everyone learns their lesson for next time. You got to hit the sell button. Diamond hands, I keep saying this, diamond hands is not the way. It's funny, it's good to joke about, but you gotta know when to hit the sell button. It's not bad. Zakaria, what's up? You're never ever going long? Short ape is the way. Yeah, I learned this. I definitely learned this. Although, I personally don't short meme stocks. I think that's a little bit too risky for my liking, and my risk tolerance is pretty up there. So, but regular regular stocks I'll short. But honestly, I do think shorting is the way. That's how the hedge funds make it. Did I see video? Yeah, I did see that. Super Mario 64. It was unopened. Yeah, sold for 1.3 million. I think Zelda sold before that for like 900,000 or something, but yeah, all this stuff worth a lot of money. Insane. Anyway, so yeah, I got a great show for you guys today. Might be a little short because, again, just like yesterday, not too much is going on today. Just a lot of good for meme stocks. But, yeah, so as always, we'll do our daily stock and crypto review. And today we'll be discussing AMC, MMAT, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, and CRTD Creatd. Talked about that yesterday. Still trending today. So only four stocks to analyze today, and we got 6 Yolos, some fun ones today. So yeah, great show for you guys today. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Shorting DD is the way. And CPOP. Yeah, well, those are new, Chinese stocks. There's a lot of FUD. Not many people trust the Chinese stocks right now. But those stocks are, like, really new. Like, a week or two old. So, I personally don't like shorting or longing, new IPOs, new companies. I like to get, like, a few months of data in before I actually make a play on those. So, whoever takes a position in those Chinese new stocks, or any IPO for that matter, it doesn't have to be Chinese, got some balls. Got some real big balls. Alright, what's DD at, by the way? And CPOP. I didn't even see those today. Yeah, CPOP down 12% today. What about DD? Yeah, DD is a little up today, but yeah, until they get that cleared up with the Chinese regulations and stuff, it's not looking too great for DD. They got taken off the App Store. So how are you gonna survive? How are you gonna do business without being on the App Store? That's crazy. Alibaba survive? Yeah, the one stock I got, Alibaba. I believe in it. I'm gonna hold through the FUD. I got leaps on Alibaba. For 2023. In retrospect, I should have sold it at 230, but it's coming back. It's at 210 now. So, I'm holding Alibaba. New egg getting hammered? Yeah. I shorted Newegg twice. Made some fat tendies. Maybe I should have held. Oh well. Alright, let's do it, guys. And don't mind me. I just opened a short position on VRPX a couple minutes ago before the show. Very volatile right now, so I'm keeping an eye on this to make sure I don't get squeezed out. Because in the aftermarket, you gotta manually put in your orders. So I'm watching this. I'm up right now, but I'm gonna be keeping an eye on this throughout the show. All right, let's do it, guys. Boom. All right. MMAT finally going up. Yeah, a little bit. It finally looks like it caught some support, so hopefully it holds. I'm gonna get assigned on that. I sold puts for $5, so I'm gonna be back holding. But that's all right. I checked out the covered calls. You get like $70 $70 a contract, and I got 12 of those. So, what's that? That is $840. So if I hold for a month, not bad, not bad. I'll take it. All right. Okay, let's do it. So Apple's going up. Finally. Still moving. Up 2.4%. That's at 149 now. So Diamond Hands is the way for, for value stocks. For blue chip stocks. Airbnb down 3%. AHPI. That's down 31% today. That was the big runner yesterday. Went up like 130%. Yeah, I shorted that one at like 920, and I sold it, or I covered it at like 740. Made 10% on that. Or 20%. Yeah, if I held for a little longer, like today, I would have made 40%. Oh well, can't complain, it's green. AMC down 15%. Good. And still pulling back in the aftermarket. Yeah, that's disgusting. We'll discuss AMC first. First one to be discussed today. Alright, we got BlackBerry down 3.8%. Bed Bath & Beyond down 5%. Bridgeline Digital. No one's talking about that one anymore, but that's down 15.3%. Blink Charging down 5.8%. Bumble down 6%. Wow. Bio Nanogenomics 6%, down 6%. BSQR, no one's talking about that anymore, but that's down 9%. Carver, no one's talking about that anymore, but that's down 12.3%. Wow. CETX, I shorted this one a couple days ago. That's down 23% today. Maybe I should have held that one. Interesting. You think AMC is done? Well, we'll take a look at that in a second. First one we'll discuss. But yeah, it's going down. Timber. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Yeah, go on AMC. Alright, what else we got here? Coinbase down 5.5%. And we got CRTD. We'll discuss this one fourth, today. Apparently, this is the next squeeze. Apparently. Not my words. This is what StockTwits thinks. And I wouldn't really listen to StockTwits. Most of the time they get it wrong. But, yeah, that's down 12.83% today. Very upset with myself. Yesterday, I got squeezed out of this at $9. Yesterday, it was at $9, and I covered. Now it's at $4. Amazing. Give myself the clown on that one. Alright. DoorDash down 4%. DraftKings, good. Down 6%. Yeah, that's what I bought DraftKings at, 45. Went up to 55, now it's back down to 45. But I'm not leaving. I'm holding DraftKings. Diamond balls on DraftKings. I got leaps on that for 2023, so I ain't going anywhere. But that really hurts. Short diamond hand is the way. Yeah, until you get squeezed out. Until you get max pain. I was down 50% on that. Not 50, 40. Yeah. So, if you're down 40%, maybe diamond hand short is not the way. Apparently it is. Alright. Express is down 7.45%. Good. GME down 6.9%. Good. Wow, Jumia. That's the African Amazon. That's down 7.7%. Costs. That's not too bad. That's down 2.84%. Li Auto. Yeah, these Chinese EVs are getting slammed. Had a nice little run. Now it's pulling back. That's down 6.73%. Marathon. You know, crypto stock, that's down 5.8%. 5.08%. MMAT. Wow. It finishes up 7%. Very nice. I did not see this. Last time I checked, it was down like 7%. Crazy price action on this. Yeah, very nice. I will take it. Nice. Up 7%. Okay. Got Microvision down 5.91%. Yeah, I remember way back when I first started the channel. I said, sell Microvision at 18. Everyone's calling me stupid, calling me a clown. Well, who's a clown now? Alright. Yeah, Newegg down 9%. Neo down 4.25%. Not too bad. Not as bad as Li Auto. This is when I covered my, this is when I sold my leaps on Neo at 43. So I was really upset when it went up to like 53. Whatever it went to, 55. I was like, damn, could have made an extra 10K, but now it's back to where I sold it at, so I don't feel too bad anymore. Okay, Ocugen down 4.17%. Good. Looks like I'm going to be bag holding Ocugen at 7. Not the worst thing in the world, but wow. Crazy stock. I would not diamond hands that stock. I don't know why everyone wants to diamond hands Ocugen. I'm just trading it, but that's insane. So I'm going to be bag holding MMAT and Ocugen. And maybe Wish, because Wish is down. We'll get to that. Orbsat, talked about this one yesterday, down 12.5%. Overstock down 10%. Playboy down 10.64%. Here, a siren coming. I'm just going to talk over it. Palantir down 4%. Yeah, I sold Palantir at 27.5. So, again, diamond hands, not the way. As soon as I went up to, as soon as I broke even on Palantir, I'm like, F this, I'm out. Good play. Yeah, Zakaria, you used to, never again. Yeah, now you know. Diamond hands is not the way. Alright. Peloton down 5.42%. Roblox down 5.77%. Interesting. If it pulls back enough, I want to get into Roblox. I like that stock. Ride, Lordstown Motors down 7.66%. What do you expect from a bankrupt company? Riot down 4.9%. That is the, Bitcoin exposure stock. And we got SGOC. Not going to talk about this one today, but I don't know. Dead cat bounce, maybe? That's up 37.64%. I shorted this one. Well, I lost on it at first, and then I shorted it back down and made my money back, and, yeah. Low-key looks like a dead cat bounce, but we'll see. Virgin Galactic down 12.42% today, and we'll discuss this one second or third. I don't know. We'll discuss this one later. Yeah, that was at like 55, so significant pullback. Again, diamond hands not the way. Million crypto coin going up. I don't even know what that is, but hey, that's cool. Take a look at crypto in a second. DD seriously bleeding. What's DD at now? Well, I mean, there's a gap here at 14.6, so I don't know. Kind of looks like it's reversing, low key. Interesting. All right, what else we got here? Tilray down 8%. Go. TPST. I briefly shorted this one, made like 10% on that. That's up 9.37% today. At one point, this was #1 trending on StockTwits today. But I mean, it ran up huge and pulled back huge. Now it's going up again. Did I invest in Million Coin? No. The only cryptos I have right now are Bitcoin and Ether. I don't like going for these poop coins, these crap coins. Learned my lesson way back when I used to go hard on the poop coins. Now I just stick to the Bitcoin and the Ether, and I sell covered calls on those. Okay, VRPX, one of the big runners today. I just shorted this one. That's at $7, or that's up 30.62% today. I shorted that one around there at 750, so it's around 7 now. Good for me. Sure, we could look at that coin in a second. And yeah, we got Wish down 6%. Good. That's below 10. I did not think that was going to go below 10. I might have to bag hold Wish. Crazy. Crazy. At 10, so that's not that bad. But I never thought Wish would go below 10. I thought that was a pretty safe bet there. So yeah, I'm getting assigned on a lot of stuff this week. Not good. Workhorse down 6.8%. Whoa, what happened to Exela? Wasn't that up like over $5 this morning? It was like way in the green. It was up like 15-20%. Wow. That's down 7.38% today. Holy crap. I did not see that. Maybe I should add that. Yeah, let me add that one in actually. We'll look at that one. All right. Yep. Did I even go over the indexes? Anyway, whatever. All indexes all slightly green. Dow Jones up 0.13%. NASDAQ up 0.17%. And S&P 500 up 1.12%. So all slightly in the green. But that'd be kind of deceiving. Because looking at my watch list, it looks like there's a lot more red than green. So a little deceiving there. But yeah, that is the crypto market today. Not the best. The indexes are lying. A lot of stuff went down today. But I hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys made attendees. All right, let's get to crypto. Well, I keep it. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's at 650 now. I shorted at 750. Let's go. Diamond balls for the win.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Coin, founder of YouTube. Tech lead. Wife dumped him and took his children. Yeah, probably took all his money too. Divorced him. You know, Kind of off topic, but I'm never getting married. I am not getting, you know, my money stripped from me by the legal system. And if I ever have kids, it's going to be with either a surrogate or artificial womb if that ever comes out. Because, you know, divorce is crazy. Feel bad for that guy. Yeah. Happens all the time, though. All right, let's get to crypto. He got good. Yeah. No, Jeff Bezos got good. Bill Gates got good. Crazy. All right, here's crypto. That's up 0.95% today, so up a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, we'll get to that low roller. Yeah, nothing too crazy here. But a good amount of green. Bitcoin's up 1.24%. Ether up Ether's up 2.8%. Cardano up 0.6%. Dogecoin down 1.8%. If Doge goes to 10, I'm gonna buy it. I never thought I'd ever buy Dogecoin, but if it goes to 10, I'm gonna buy Dogecoin. Polkadot down 2.5%. Bitcoin Cash up 1.5. Litecoin up 0.8. Solana's doing pretty good, up 4.8%. Stellar up 5.63. ICP up 1.3. Yeah, not too bad for crypto. Pretty uneventful day for crypto. You know, nothing too crazy. It's usually really volatile. This is pretty standard. You can see Dogecoin dropping to 5 cents. That'd be really nice. I mean, not for everyone holding, but when Dogecoin goes up to 70 cents, you gotta sell. I don't know what to tell you. Like, hit the sell button. No diamond hands. All right. MM coin. Is that millionaire? What's the ticker for that? Is it in the top 100? Let me know while I check on this. Okay. Need this to go to 6. Okay. Probably better if I did this on a trading view. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, it's up 11.7% today. This is way down there. 2,500? So, poop coin, huh? Maybe a good poop coin. What is it at? 167? Yeah, not bad. So if you bought it a year ago, you would have doubled up. Interesting. Very volatile. But yeah, I don't even know anything about this. So, this looks like the New York Library logo. That's funny. Peaked at 225, yeah. So if you bought at the low and dumped at the high, you would have made 300%. Very hard to time that, though. So yeah, it's pretty far back there. 2,540. 2,540 ranked. But, looks pretty decent. Where do you, where's this sold at? Uniswap. Okay. So it's not on any market. Interesting. But yeah, Low Roller, thanks for sharing this. Hat 169. Didn't know anything about this, but yeah, thanks for sharing. I'll keep an eye on this one. So yeah, that is crypto. Nothing too crazy happening today. Alright, so no news today. Let's get right into the analysis. And yeah, just quickly checking on this. Down to 680. Very nice. I need this to go to... So I'm up 10% right now, approximately. Need this to go down to 6. Probably have to hold overnight. USA team won? Yeah, I watched it actually, against Argentina. But I saw most of their players, the USA team, half of their teams are scrubs. Well, not scrubs, but you know, like no-name players that you don't even really hear about. What's up, Mark? Appreciate you for being here. The only good players they got like KD, they got Jason Tatum, Damian Lillard. I mean, I say only, but yeah, you shouldn't be losing to like, what was it, Nigeria and Australia. I mean, Australia is pretty good, but shouldn't be losing to them. They're pretty stacked. They should have Booker and Middleton, but they're in the finals right now, so they're not playing. And Drew Holiday, you know, they're all really good. But they have like a G League player on there right now. They're not gonna make the official roster, but they got like a G League player. They got Sadiq Bey, some no name players I saw there. So, but still, you shouldn't be losing. They got Kevin Love also. So, yeah, they got a good team. I don't know how you're losing. It's I don't know. Maybe it's Greg Popovich, because when Coach K was coaching, they never lost. But with Greg Popovich, you know, the last World Cup, they got like bronze, or they didn't even medal. I don't even remember. So I don't know. Maybe Popovich. I mean, he's definitely a good coach, but maybe he's not the right coach for USA. Who knows? USA doesn't have a good center. Yeah, who's their center? They got Kevin Love. I think Kevin Love's the center, is he not? Don't remember. We need the dream team. Well, I mean, I don't think we should win gold. Won the last one and the last one. Won it for a couple of years now. Yeah, the rest of the world is catching up in basketball, but still, USA is like way far ahead because the rest of the world, they have like one or two good players on every team. But USA is stacked. There should be no reason why USA is losing. And the rest of the world has like, they don't have any superstars per se. You know, like biggest international superstar playing in the Olympics is like Luka Doncic. He's for like Slovenia, which they just made their first Olympics ever. But everyone else that plays in the Olympics international is like a role player. USA women is good, yeah. They are really good. All right. Yeah. Enough about basketball. Who you got tonight though? Suns or Bucks? Got the Suns. All right. All right. So first one, AMC. Uh-oh, this is coming back to 7. Not good. All right, so here's AMC. This finishes at $33.43 today. That is down 15.04%. Haven't talked about this one in a while, but as of late, it's been tanking. It's been in free fall, along with all the other meme stocks. So let's analyze this. It's pulling back in the aftermarket, down at 32.70. All right. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 37.50 and 32. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 37.50, 42, 44.60, 48, 41, 51.20, 55, 58, 62.40, and then the all-time high of 72.62. Yeah, Mark, sure, we could do that. We could do that last. We got AMC, XELA, MMAT, Virgin Galactic, CRTD, and then we could do SGOC. Surprisingly, not too many. It didn't get much. It wasn't trending today on StockTwits. Didn't get much attention. I was surprised, but yeah, that kind of looks like a dead cat bounce, low key. But we'll get to that. All right, and if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 32, 26, 20.50, and then 16.50. Well, 16.50 and then 14. And there's a few levels of support under that, but we aren't going to discuss that right now. All right, so RSI is currently at 56. So getting pretty low there. Not quite undersold. It's not quite oversold, undervalued just yet, but quickly approaching that. And it hasn't been getting much volume as of late. The volume has dropped significantly since the short squeeze. Only did 136 million, 135 million in volume today. So significant volume drop off. Okay. So yeah, these channels are pretty wide, pretty decently sized. So although to the downside, they are much wider than the upside channels right now. So this will pull back more easily than it will go to the upside. If it goes to the upside, there is a decent amount of resistance there. So this needs some good buying pressure for this to break through those resistances. It's probably not going to moon again until it breaks 62.40. But okay. So yeah, just looking at this graph, this looks pretty bearish. Doesn't look great. It was consolidating for a while between 60 and 50 approximately. And, once something consolidates, it's either going to break out or sell off. So everyone was hoping that it was going to break out after consolidation, but unfortunately, it's selling off after consolidation. And just looking at this, not financial advice, but it looks like it's going to go into free fall right now. It blew right through all these supports. Pretty heavy support too, but blew right through all of them in the past 2 weeks. And it's not catching any support. So this looks like it's still going to be in free fall, in the short term at least. So that's really not good. So, not financial advice, but maybe you want to consider taking profits if you bought in really early, and maybe you just want to cut losses if you're down on this right now, because this does look like it's going to pull back some more. And, like I said, these channels are really wide, so this can easily go back all the way down to 1650. I don't really see anything really stopping this from going back to 1650. And if it breaks that, then it'll finally catch some support. But this can easily blow through 32, 26, 20. This can easily go back to 1650. So really not good. That's really bearish. So if you want to go long right now, I don't recommend that. I know you guys want to buy the dip, but this is not a dip. This is a free fall. So I'd hold off if you want to go long. You can probably get this at a way better price. This does not appear like it's done free falling just yet. So maybe you want to set your buy orders at 20 or 1650, because it might actually go all the way back there. And if you want to go short, that could be a good play. I personally don't like shorting meme stocks. That's really, really risky because, the thing could reverse and go up and could moon at any time. But, and plus, the time to short would have been at like 60 or 50. At this point, if you want to short, you could make some decent money, but the fat tindies are already off the table. But honestly, this does look like it's going to pull back some more. So if you want to short, seems like a decent play. Just do it at your own risk. Understand that this could go really bad if you decide to short. But I definitely wouldn't go long. And if you want to go short, just do it at your own risk. Yeah, if you want to go long, I wouldn't do it till the RSI goes at least under 30. It's at 36 right now, so if it goes under 30 and the price is at 26 or 20 or 1650, then, then I would consider going long. But as of this very moment, you don't want to be catching a falling knife because it does not appear like this is done free falling anytime soon in the short term. So, yeah. Sorry to everyone who lost money today and the past 2 weeks. Very disgusting. Hang in there. Not saying you should diamond hands. Maybe you should cut. Not saying you should, but, consider. You don't have to diamond hands, Consider taking profits. Consider cutting if it's really getting that bad. Or sell covered calls. That's another option. So yeah. Sorry to everyone who lost money on this today. And good luck to everyone looking to take a position. If this goes back to like 20 or 16, I might go long. Been waiting for this for a long time. So yeah, that is AMC. Alright, next one, XELA. Wasn't going to do this one, but pulled back a lot. So yeah, we'll do it. Alright, here's XELA. This finishes at $4 on the dot. That is down 7.83% today. All right, so yeah, this was really disappointing. This was really disappointing because this morning this was up near 550. It was up like 15% or something like that. And it finishes down 8%. So major price action, crazy swings. Yeah, that sucks. But let's analyze this. So yesterday I said that we have a cup and handle forming here. And I said that 550 might be the top of the cup. I said might because it could have kept running to 6 or 8. But now we kind of have some confirmation that 550 was the top of the cup. Not saying it is, but the graph today would support that. The pullback today would support that. I said, I said, this is, if 550 is in fact the top of the cup, then this will probably pull back to around 350 and start to consolidate. So as of right now, that looks like that's where this is headed. Looks like this could pull back to 350 and consolidate to form the handle of the cup and handle. So, if you guys want a diamond hands, I'm not going to tell you guys what to do with your money, but, maybe consider taking profits at this point. Taking profits is never a bad idea. What's up, Vertmaker? You had buy orders at 150 when it was at 190. You should have bought in 190. Yeah. Missed opportunity. That sucks. Well, I had a stop loss at $3, and it hit 298, and I got stopped out at $3, and then it went up to 550. So I feel you, man. Share the pain. But yeah, thanks for being here, man. Appreciate you. All right. So yeah, again, we have this gap up at 150. So the gaps usually do fill. So this eventually probably will come back to 150. Eventually, probably not in the short term, but eventually. RSI is at 71, so this still currently is overbought and overvalued. So just be careful, guys. And it did 293 million in volume today. So it's still significant volume. Not quite as much as some previous trading sessions, but still very significant volume there. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. So, at this point, I do think that this is going to pull back a little bit more. I think this is more likely to go to the downside than the upside. So if you want to go long, very risky stuff there. Not saying it won't go to the upside. And if it does go to the upside, this can easily go back to the all-time high of 782. Not much resistance here holding this back. But I think it's more likely that this is going to pull back and consolidate. So if you want to go long, I wouldn't recommend that. Not saying it won't go higher, but it just seems too risky at this point to go long, so I wouldn't recommend that. Could pay off pretty big, though. So if you want to go long, just do it at your own risk. And if you want to go short, still kind of risky because this is a meme stock. And, a lot of positive sentiment. A lot of apes like this stock. So this could, in fact, squeeze at any moment. Could reverse and squeeze at any moment. So for that reason, it's risky to short there. But this probably will come back. This probably will pull back a little bit further. We are getting bearish indicators here. Cup and handle. Handle is forming. High RSI, high volume. Those are all, and the gap up at 150. Those are all bearish indicators. So just going off the technicals, it does appear that this is going to pull back. My prediction to around 350. But honestly, I don't even think it's worth it to go short either. Because if you short at 4, it ain't going to pull back that much. So, you're risking what, like a 10% gain for being short squeezed out. You're risking being short squeezed out for a massive loss to make, what, 10%? I don't really think it's worth it. So, honestly, at this point, if you don't have a position, I'd probably just recommend not to do anything, just to stay away from this. Because this is really, really risky at this point. This is more like a gamble than an investment. So, if you want to take a position, just do it at your own risk. This is very scary stuff here. So, yeah. I think it's going to pull back a little bit further. to around 350 to complete the handle and consolidate for a little bit. And hopefully after that, it's going to break out again. But, yeah, sorry to everyone who lost money on this one today. Really sucks, especially since it hit 550 and came all the way back down to 4. Unfortunate. And good luck to everyone who is currently in this stock and looking to take a position. So that is XELA, Exela Technologies. All right, MMAT. Okay, here is MMAT Metamaterials. That finishes at $4.27 today. That is up 7.02%. All right, so I've been talking about MMAT past couple of shows. I said that it was in free fall and it's not catching any support. And if it went below 360 and 270, that'd be really, really bad. That'd be a lot of trouble. Fortunately, it does appear like 360 had some very strong support. And hopefully this is the bottom. Hopefully, I sure hope so. Yeah, it's finally catching some support at 360. So hopefully we get a reversal soon. All right. Let's do the downside first. So it's currently trading between the sideways channels, the rectangle of 450 and 360. So if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 260, 160, 90 cents, and then 40 cents. And if this goes to the upside, next level of support would be 450, 520, 570, 660, 740, $8, 850, 970, 1080, 1150, 14, 16, 1610, 1780, $20, and then the all-time high of 2176. And the channels above 1150 are really wide, so it's probably going to be a while before we get back to 1150. But once it breaks that, there's not much resistance holding it back, and there's going to be a lot of price action once this breaks 1150. What's up, Nadeem? Just dropped by to say hi. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for being here. All right. So either way, as of this moment, to the upside or the downside, there's a lot of support and resistance. So it's going to take a lot of buying pressure for this to move up and a lot of selling pressure for this to move down. You know, these channels are pretty narrow here, so a lot of support and resistance. RSI is currently at 40, so below average, but not quite oversold and undervalued. And it did 39 million in volume today, which isn't too much compared to the previous trading sessions. So, and we have this gap down at 14, so this is likely to come back to 14 eventually. Probably not in the short term, but eventually I would say this is going to come back to 14 to fill the gap. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, but it does appear like this is finally catching support at 360, and 360 might be the bottom. So I would say this is a pretty decent price here. I don't want to call it. I don't want to say this is the bottom, but this does appear like this. There's a very good chance this is the bottom. So if you want to go long here, I could support that. This is a very good price, And if this continues to pull back, then you could just average down. So, yeah, I support going long here. If you want to go short, I don't really see a reason to go short at this point. It already went down so much. The time to go short would have been at 20 bucks or, 15, 10. Could have made a lot of money if you went short there. I don't see why you would short here at $4, at $4.30. You're really not going to make that much money. And there's a good amount of bullish indicators here. So, yeah, don't see any reason to go short. I would not recommend that. So, yeah, I support going long and holding at this point. Good price. If it keeps pulling back, I would suggest you average down. And if you want to go short, I don't recommend doing that. Doesn't really make much sense. So, yeah, hopefully the worst is over for MMAT. This was really, really, really brutal, really disgusting. But, this does appear like this could be the reversal, hopefully. So, yeah, congratulations to everyone who made money in this stock. Good luck to everyone holding this stock currently. I know there's a lot of apes holding this stock. Yeah, we'll have to see where this goes in the short term. This is MMAT Metamaterials. All right, Virgin Galactic. All right, here is Virgin Galactic, SPCE. That finishes at $33.07 today. That is down 12.42%. So yeah, another meme stock that looks like it's in free fall. The past couple of days, it's been absolutely tanking. And just looking at this chart, looks pretty bearish. Does not appear like it's going to be done free falling anytime soon. So really, that's not good. Okay. Yeah, so I see the channels to the downside are much wider than the channels to the upside. So, if this continues to free fall, which it most likely will, there's going to be a decent amount of price action here. There's not too much support holding this up. And on the other hand, to the upside, there is a decent amount of resistance. So, not going to take too much selling pressure for this to go up, to go down. And it's going to take a good amount of buying pressure for this to break through the support. XRVP moving up, that's not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, diamond hands. Diamond hands short. Damn, that sucks. Ugh. Oh well. I'm still up though, so can't complain. Okay. Probably another support here. Okay. Yeah, there actually is some support I missed here. Yeah, good enough. Okay. So, yeah. A lot of support and resistance to go through. Okay. So, if this goes to the upside... Alright. So, right now, this is trading between the sideways channel. The rectangle of... 33.90, and 32.20. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 33.90, 35.80, 37.40, 39.70, 41.60, 43, 45, 46.50, 49.30, 52.10, 53.20, 54.50, 56, 57.10, 58.50, 59.50, and then the all-time high of 62.80. So yeah, a lot of resistance there. So it's going to take a lot of buying pressure for this stock to move back up again. Now, if this goes to the downside, next level of support is 32.20, 31.30, 28.80, 26.30, 25, 23.60, 21.80, 20.40, 18.20, 17.20, and then the low of 14.30. So yeah, like I just said, a lot of support and resistance on this stock. Although it does appear like there is more resistance than support. So more downside potential than upside potential right now. So the RSI is currently at 42. So that is a little bit below average, not quite oversold and undervalued, but it is approaching that. And it did 85 million in volume today, which is a pretty good amount of volume. Not as much as some of the previous trading sessions, but yeah, I would say this free fall the past couple of days is confirmed by the volume. So, similar to AMC, if you want to go long, I would not recommend that as of this very moment. You know, this you don't want to catch a falling knife. This looks like it's still gonna dump pretty hard. That's what it looks like on this graph. So yeah, I know you guys want to buy the dip, but this is not a dip. This is a free fall. So you know, just be patient, hold off. You can get a way better price than 33. So yeah, if you want to go long, I would not recommend that just yet. Just hold off, wait a little bit. I can't really say what price is a good price to buy in at, but keep an eye on the RSI. As soon as it goes below 30, if it goes below 30, then you can start to consider buying in. But as of right now, going long is not a good idea. And if you want to go short, seems like a pretty decent play. I mean, the time to go short would have been like 50 or 45 or 40. You would have made some fat tendies there. But it does appear like there still is money to be made if you want to short this. You know, just not as much as you would have gotten if you did it a little earlier. And again, it is risky, so be careful. This is a meme stock, and this can reverse and squeeze at any time. So, looks like a pretty decent play. I guess I can support that. Personally, I don't like shorting meme stocks, too risky for me. But if you do decide to short this, seems like a pretty decent play. You know, just be careful, set stop losses so you don't get squeezed out, or you do get squeezed out, but you don't lose that much money. Um, and low key, this is a cup and handle here. Big cup and handle. Wow. 57. 14. So just off the top of my head, if this is in fact a cup and handle, well, it is. It This looks like there's a handle forming here, and it should consolidate around 35-ish, which it currently is at right now. So interesting. I wouldn't do that though. Okay, but yeah. So yeah, this is Virgin Galactic, SPCE. Sorry to everyone who lost money today. Disgusting. Sorry to everyone who lost money today and past couple of trading sessions. Very nasty. You know, maybe you want to consider cutting, taking profits, or cutting losses if you haven't. Not saying you should, but this is a pretty bearish chart here. So, you know, this looks like it's going to keep pulling back. So if you don't want to lose any more money, maybe consider selling here. So yeah, sorry to everyone who lost money today and the past couple of trading sessions. And good luck to everyone looking to take a position in this stock. You were about to go short at 52. Yeah, me too. I was thinking before before the flight. Either way, you know, there was going to be sell the news event. Either if it was successful or not successful, this was a sell the news event. So if it went good, it would have sold off, which it did. And if it went bad, it would have really sold off. So, but you know, I have a rule: don't short meme stocks. I should have did it. I didn't have the balls to do it, but it would have been a great play. Oh well, you'll live and learn. Mark, SGOC is pumping in aftermarket. Yeah, it's up a little bit. Doesn't look like it's squeezing or anything, though. Looks like a decent short play. I might have to do that, but I already shorted this down at like, forget what, at like 19 or something. Got to keep an eye on this one. Crazy stock, but we'll get to this one. Just got to do CRTD, and then we can get to SGOC. All right, here is CRTD Creatd Inc. Talked about this one yesterday. This is very high up there on stock twits. The apes love this stock. Pulled back today again. This one also looks like it's low key in free fall. All right, so let's analyze this one. So, yeah, I said this is a cup and handle here. Lagging a little bit. Imagine if Branson said something that triggered the apes to the moon, literally to the moon. Yeah, you never know. You know, Elon Musk. Literally sending Dogecoin to the moon. Yeah, that could have happened. You know, just something ridiculous like that. But logically, it's a sell the news event. Yeah, for that very reason, I didn't do it. You know, it's a meme stock, anything can happen. But logically, it looks like a real good, easy short. But you never know with these damn apes. Alright, so, yesterday, I said that this looks like a cup and handle here. Top of the cup being 8. Bottom being 270. So it's 5. So I said that this would probably consolidate around 5 to complete the cup and handle. Yeah, the handle was rejected here and went straight down. So, no cup and handle. This is a cup and free fall. Okay. And just looking at the chart, 4 might be the support. Looks like it's catching some support at 4. But I wouldn't be so sure just yet. This could in fact keep pulling back. All right. So it's currently sitting at the support of $4, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 420. Lol. 435. 460. 480. $5. 530. 560. $6. 620. 650. 680. 715. 740, and then the high of 781. And if it goes to the downside, next level of support would be 370, 350, 330, $3, 270, and then the low of 240. So either way right now, there's a lot of support and resistance both ways. So this is going to take a lot of buying pressure to go up and a lot of selling pressure to go down. So past couple of days, past 2 days, there was a lot of selling pressure. RSI is currently at 52, so that is pretty average. So according to the RSI, $4 is what is pretty fair market value. It did 14 million in volume today, which is pretty significant, but not nearly as much as the past 2 trading sessions. But I would say the sell-off today is confirmed by the volume. So if you want to go long here, I would hold off on that. Just like I said for AMC and Virgin Galactic. You don't really want to catch a falling knife. 1 second, guys. Siren coming. Sorry. All right, my bad. So yeah, so just like AMC and Virgin Galactic, this does look like it's in free fall, and just looking at the chart, it does appear like there still is room to pull back. Maybe not. Maybe 4 is the bottom and it caught support, but hasn't proven itself yet. So if you want to go long, I would hold off just a little bit. If it goes up, then okay. It seems like 4 is the support, and you could buy in. But if it keeps on falling, then I'd just hold off and see if you can get a better price. Because you don't want to catch a falling knife. So yeah, I would hold off on going long as of this moment. Wait a little bit, see if you can get a better price. Although 4 is a pretty decent price, and according to the RSI, fair market value. So, I guess if you want to buy in at 4, that's a pretty decent play. It just looks like it's going to come down a little bit more. So, personally, I just hold off a little bit. And if you want to go shorts, I don't really see a reason to do that at this point. You know, you probably can make some money, but the fat tendies, but you know, this already pulled back so much, all the way from $8 that would have been the time to short, around $8, $7, $6, around there. That would have been the time to short. Here at $4, you'd be collecting crumbs at this point. You know, really not too much money to be made. And this is a meme stock. A lot of apes like this stock. So this could reverse and squeeze at any moment. So I think that's too risky. I don't recommend going short on this play. You missed the opportunity. So yeah, if you want to go long, $4 seems like a pretty decent price, but you can probably get it for cheaper. I would support going long. And if you want to go short, I don't recommend that. That's way too risky. Not really worth it. So yeah, sorry to everyone who lost money today on this and yesterday. Really nasty. Hang in there. And good luck to everyone currently holding this stock and looking to take a position. This is CRTD Creatd Inc. Okay, we'll take a look at SGOC and then CLF. Oh, it's at 14 now. It is running in the aftermarket. Let me draw some new support and resistance here. All right. So Mark, I'm not sure if you're long or you're short or you're just looking to get in. But it looks like it's heading to the upside right now, so if it keeps running, it looks like it'll hit 17. There's really no resistance here between here and 17. And then if it goes past 20, it looks like it'll go all the way back up to 29. But, you know, maybe consider taking profits at 17. Not financial advice. And if this goes back to 980, I think you got to cut right there. Because then it's going to fall all the way back down to 420, 430. Yeah, this stock is insane. So much price action. And RSI's at 65 right now. Probably a little higher. So more on the overbought side still. A lot of volume today. Yeah, this is really dangerous. I think it's coming back. I think it's coming back. Kind of looks like a dead cat bounce. I don't know. We'll see. But hope that that answers your question. Are you if you're still here, Mark, are you long? Are you short? Are you not? Do you not have a position at all? Pretty hard to analyze this one right now, but I'd probably say it's coming back. Maybe after it runs up. Maybe it'll keep running in the aftermarket and in the pre-market tomorrow morning. But if this keeps going tomorrow morning in the pre-market, I would cash out right there. Because I think this is going to come down pretty hard again. CLF. Okay. Well, it looks like there's some more support here. It seems like this is a pretty decent entry. You know, RSI's at 52, so pretty average there. You could yeah, the next one I got here is 2120, 2125. Probably gonna come back a little bit more over there. And it might come, yeah, it might even come back to 20. So maybe you might want to consider buying at 21.25, and then if it goes down more, 20, or just wait for 20. But it's probably going to pull back a little bit further from right here. Yeah, I try to see if I can get this at 20. But I definitely think it's at least coming back down to 21.25, 21.30. Huh. So yeah, I'd wait either at 21.30, and it's definitely going back there. I'm pretty sure. And so maybe you might want to buy in there and then average down if it keeps going down, or just straight up wait for 20. So yeah, I'd hold off a little bit. It's probably coming back a bit. It's probably coming back a little bit more. Or you could sell puts if you want. That's another play you can make. Sell puts for you can sell puts for 20. Oh, how much is that worth right now? Next week. 89 RSI. So you can it's $40 right now for the puts. So pretty decent play there. If you want 100 shares, you can sell a put for 20. So if it does go back down, you can get the shares at 20, and if not, you just keep your $40. That's probably what I would do. That's how I'd play it. I'd probably just sell puts for 20. All right, that's all the analysis for today. Let's get to the Yolos. Uh-oh. VRPX coming back. Insane. One second, guys. Got to pull up the Yolos. I'm going to mute, too, because a siren coming. All right. So for today, we got Wish, AMC, Virgin Galactic, and MMAT. Got some good ones today. So this first one is by If You Had One Chance. They say delayed wish calls, lost corn with a P. Okay. So, yeah. A lot of losses right here. Not quite sure what the initial YOLO was. But, yeah, right now this guy's down. Oops. Right now this guy's down about 23K. Alright, so we got 280 calls for July 16th, expiring this Friday. 15 strike. That's probably not going to work. Which is at 10. 50% in 2 days. Very unlikely. We got 120 calls for July 30th. 2 weeks. I don't know. That seems pretty unlikely too. 65 calls for August 20th, 1 month. 13 strike. That's more likely. That could work. And then we got 27 calls for October 15th, 11 strike. That's the only one that I would say, like, okay, that seems pretty decent. But yeah, I'd probably start cutting here. There's no way the July 16th calls, 15 strike, that's gonna work. Not sure how much value is left in that one, but I'd cut that. That's definitely not gonna work. July 30th, that's not looking too great either. 13 call, I'd cut that one. Maybe you could hold the August. I would hold the October 15th calls, 11 strike. That's pretty decent. That has a good chance of working. And the August 20th calls, 13 strike. That one you would have to manage. That one you would have to check on like every week and reevaluate the play, because that could work out, but good chance it won't. Good chance it will not either. So yeah, I'd cut the July 16th and the July 30th calls right here. $18,000 L, but if you don't do it, you're gonna lose more money. So yeah, these are FDs, bad expiry dates, bad strike prices. So 80% of the time FDs don't work. Yeah. So I certainly hope this guy could afford to lose this. This is a lot of money. So yeah, what can we learn? Don't buy FDs, and don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Very tough lesson. Very tough and expensive lesson to learn here. So, if you had one chance, thank you for posting. Great content, very entertaining. Sorry for your loss. Not over yet, but not looking too great. If I were you, I would cut, and I hope you do as well. Don't want you to lose more money. But either way, please post updates. I'd like to see how this goes. Alright, this one is by Maleficent Spare 9361. They say Chad move incoming. Pretty sure that is sarcasm. Maybe not. But yeah, here we got 27 calls for Wish, expiring August 6th at the 15 strike. So this was a $8,200 YOLO, 8.2K YOLO. And right now he's down. One second, guys. Alright, sorry. Yeah, right now he's down 93%. Down, oh no, sorry. This was 82K YOLO. Yeah, right now he's down. Not bugging, no. This was a $9,000 YOLO. 9K YOLO. And right now he's down $8,200. That is 93%. So yeah, here goes his whole account right here. Blew up his whole account. Typical ape stuff. I mean, he still got 600 in value. I would just cut. 600 is still a decent amount of money. If you don't cut it, you're probably going to lose that as well. Very unlikely Wish is going to go to $15 by August 16th. August 6th. That is 3 weeks out, and you would need a 50% gain. Not very likely. So, yeah. I think the only play here is to cut. Or you can just let it ride and lose another 600. But very unlikely this is going to work. So, yeah, really not much else to say. FD, bad expiry, bad strike price, and it didn't work out. So, Maleficent Spare 9361, thank you for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not over yet, but not looking great. You know, I would cut and take the 600 and just live another day. I'm not sure if Chad move incoming is sarcastic or not, but I don't think there is a Chad move incoming. So, yeah, good luck to you. And please post updates. Alright, this one is by Typical Minute 6421. They say, wish I had more money to BTFD. I don't know what BTFD is. What is that? Anyway, there's always BS before the glory. Okay, this one's a lot better. Here we have 15 calls. 15 calls for Wish, December 16th, 2022. So this is a leaps at the $20 strike. MMAT continues pumping. That's good. Yeah, a little bit. I will take it. Yeah, looks like 360 was the bottom. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so I can support this one. I like this one. Maybe the strike is a little bit out there, but doesn't mean you have to sell. Doesn't mean you have to hold this until expiration. So this guy's giving himself over a year and a couple of months for this to work. So I like this play. You know, this is not an FD. I always say don't buy FDs, buy leaps. That's how you make money on options. I mean, he's down right now 43%. That's pretty nasty. But this has a pretty decent shot at working. So I think right now the move is to hold. Maybe even average down. Not saying you should, but it seems like a pretty decent time to average down. So, yeah, this was a... can't even tell how much this was worth. This was probably around a 7K YOLO. So, yeah. Disgusting right now, but no point in cutting right now. I think holding is the right play here. So, I like this one. Not going your way just yet, but has a pretty good chance of working out. So, I support this one. So, Typical Minute 6421. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Says lost, but it's not over yet, and won't be over for a while. So yeah, I think this has a good shot. Not saying no guarantees, but this has a good shot of working. So just hang in there. So thanks for posting. Good luck to you, and please post updates. All right, this one is by Frankie Fast Hands 19. They say 150 AMC calls July 16th. I might be screwed. I think so. So not really sure what the initial cost basis was. But yeah, 150 calls for AMC for July 16th. 2 days. Expires this Friday. At the 37 strike. It's AMC. AMC's at 33. Yep. Not looking too great. AMC's at like 33, and looks like there's no sign of stopping the free fall. So this appears to be like a 50K YOLO around there, maybe a little more. Yeah. There's still 23.4K in value, a lot of money. I think you have to cut right here. I mean, it might go up to 37, but really not worth the risk. You know, just looking at the charts, it looks very bearish. I don't think AMC is coming back to 37. So unless you want to lose another 23.4K, I think you got to cut here. Unfortunate, because you're already down a lot of money, but come on, this guy knew what he was doing. He knew this was really risky. Just didn't work out, unfortunately. So this is what happens when you buy FDs. Again, don't buy FDs. Buy leaps. So yeah, bad expiration, bad strike price. I guess it's a pretty decent strike price. It wasn't too crazy, but it just didn't go the right way. This guy tried to catch a falling knife. That's what he did. Tried to catch the reversal, and it didn't work out. Didn't reverse just yet. So yeah, I think the only play really here is to cut and take your remaining 23.4K and live another day. Because you got 2 days left, and if you don't cut, you're going to lose like 10K each day. That's pretty nasty. So, Frankie Fast Hands, 19, thank you for posting. Yeah, I think you're screwed, unfortunately. So, you know, I would cut and just live another day, but whatever you decide to do, please post updates. Very entertaining here. Great content, so I appreciate that. Yeah, good luck to you, and please post updates. Alright, this one is by Deep Parking 2137. They say Virgin Galactic to 15. Strap up. Branton's slap to his shareholders was the last straw. You bought the news, still time to get a refund. Bear. Yeah. People did buy the news. You don't buy the news, you sell the news, unless you want to be a bag holder. So, smart play here. I mean, these are FDs. These all expire this week, July 16th, 2 days. We got a bunch of different strikes here. We got 16 puts. These are puts. So we got 16 puts for the 35.5 strike. And then 2 each for the 16.5 strike, 38.5 strikes, 38 strike, and 36 strike. So yeah, it's currently at 33. Virgin Galactic's currently at 33, so all of these are in the money. And it does not appear like it's going to stop tanking. So, first of all, congratulations. This was a... What is this? This was around a 5K YOLO. No, more than that. Oh, yeah. This was around a 5K YOLO. So, right now it's worth... Right now he's up 10K. He's up 174%. Well, Rolo, you're surprised Wall Street Bets didn't ban him? Well, he made the tendies. You know, this is still an ape play. Just, this is a smart ape here. You usually get dumb apes. But this is a smart ape. So, I mean, the smartest thing to do here, the safest thing to do is to lock in the profits. Already up 174%. So, really no hurt in that. Although, it does appear like Virgin Galactic is going to keep pulling back. So, a little bit risky. But, you could justify holding this through expiration. And you can't really say that often. So, yeah, I mean, personally, I'd probably take the profits here. But if you're feeling a little risky, then I can support holding too, through expiration. Because the charts are very bearish, and it does not appear like Virgin Galactic is going to make a run in the short term, in 2 days. So, yeah, I can support holding it. But just, it's a little bit risky. And the smartest, safest thing to do is to take profits. But either way, this guy should finish pretty green. So, great play here. I like this one. I mean, I don't really like the FDs. But it worked out. It worked out. This was a, you know, a sell the news play. This is a smart ape here. So, don't really get too many of those. Got a lot of dumbass apes on Wall Street Bets. So, I like this one. Yeah, Zakaria, that could work. Dump half and let the other half run. He could dump the 35.5 puts and let it run. Yeah, that'd be smart. At least take out the cost basis, I would say. So he's not, take out 5K or whatever. So if it does go bad, yeah, you finish break even. Can I check out Verb? Sure. I got one more, and then we can do Verb. So, Deep Parking 2137, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. Not over yet, but looking like you're in great shape here. Very risky play, but very Chad play. Worked out. So, very happy for you. Congratulations on the tendies. Yeah. Inversing what Wall Street Bet says is usually a good play. And StockTwits. Inversing what the sentiment is usually is a good play. So yeah, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you, and please post updates. Alright, last one. This one is by Taxman. They say holding bags or holding bars of gold overnight. 80K MMAT. Alright. So, this is a super FD here. 6,400 call options for MMAT expiring this Friday, July 16th, at the 5 strike. If put options don't work out, they buy the stock. No, you just lose your money. They expire worthless. When you sell puts, you have to buy the stock if it goes the wrong way. But when you're buying puts, no, if it doesn't work out, you just lose your money. Give me a second, guys. I hear an ambulance. Okay. So, yeah, this is very, very risky. I hope this guy is rich. This is pretty stupid. I don't care if, the only way you could justify this is if you are a millionaire and you really don't care. MMAT is around 4, or was at 4. So, he would need a 25% gain in 2 days, risking 80K for a 25% gain. The person will be a bag holder? No, they're going to be homeless. There's a difference. I'm going to be a bag holder. He's going to be homeless. Yeah, he's going to be behind Wendy's. Damn right. Right here. Yeah, I don't know why you would do this. Why would you do this? This is insane. I mean, even if it does go to 5, like, it has to go, like, significantly past 5 to make any money. It would have to go to, like, 550 or 6 to really see any gains. And I want MMAT to go past 5. And I think this is not realistic at all. So, yeah, I don't like this at all. I don't like the FDs. I don't like the strike price. You have to do it. You have to go with 5 because that's the next strike price. But that is very far out. So, yeah, shouldn't have done this in the first place. But, yeah, don't like the expiration. Don't like the strike price. So he's already down 12K. MMAT at 430, so that's a little better. But $5 in 2 days, I don't know. I certainly hope so. So, yeah, don't do this, guys. Don't do this. This is just stupid. This is a straight-up gamble. This is like a lottery ticket right here, actually. Not even a gamble. This is like buying lotto. Not very chance Probability of success, not very likely. I can literally check right now. What is the chance of that hitting? According to the delta. Right here. Calls, $5. Oh, that's not too bad. 30% chance. Wow. That's better than I thought. Okay. According to the brokerage, you know, they use complex calculations and stuff. 30% chance this is gonna work. So about 1/3 chance. I don't think so, but hey. Brokerage says pretty decent chance. That's better than I thought, but still. Yeah, I don't like this one. I don't think it's gonna work. There goes 80K, most likely. I can bookmark to see. Yeah, or you can post an update. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on this. So yeah, I don't like this play. I think this is straight up stupid, and I don't encourage anyone to do this unless you're just stupid rich and have 80K to just YOLO. F it. Most people don't have that. So yeah, Taxman, thank you for posting. Great content. Very entertaining. I salute you in the name of content. Good luck to you. You're going to need it. You're going to need it. I certainly hope this works out for you. I'm pulling for you. I want MMAT to go past 5, but realistically, I don't see it happening. So, may Jesus be with you. Yeah, Verb Maker. 80K FD in 2 days. Stupid. Straight up stupid. So yeah, good luck to you, man. Thanks for posting, and please post updates. It's probably Trump's son, 80K. YOLO 80K. Yeah. Just straight up dumb. Don't do this, guys. But hey, this is great content. Let's see some comments. This is what Wall Street Bets is about. Yeah. Everyone's saying remind me July 16th. Yeah. Corn inevitable. Damn right. Either going to be fat gains or fat losses. Yeah. See you behind Wendy's. Big balls. PR tomorrow. Huh. Let's see here. Lots of money to lose. YOLO it into out of the money options. Options expire this week. Bag holding till expired. Godspeed Artard. Yeah, there is a lot of support for this. I mean, yeah, it is hilarious. And, I mean, I'm cheering for him. I hope it works, but I don't think so. Don't do this, guys. But great content. All right, so we'll do Verb for Zakaria, and then that's the show. Let me check on VRPX. Okay. I'll take it. I'm going to hold this overnight. Okay. This kind of looks like a sell. Got the cup and handle. So, you know, that's a bearish sign. The bottom is like $1, top is like 3, so so this is probably going to pull back to like 2, honestly. My prediction, probably going to pull back to 2 to complete the cup and handle. RSI is at 78. So you know, that's bearish. High volume, that's bearish. Yeah, I would say Are you in this one, Zakaria, right now? Looks like a good time to take profit. It looks like it's pulling back to 2. Not financial advice, but very bearish indicators here. I would definitely sell right here. And then maybe buy back in at 2. You're holding DD. Are you shorting this or are you long? Okay. Well, if you short this, well, it actually went back up to 285 in the aftermarket. So, yeah, this is probably coming back to 2. So this seems like a pretty decent short play here. 285. You could put in the order right now, and you would catch it near the top. You know, the top was 296. I might have to look at this. You got me considering now. I got to look at this a little later. Yeah, at 285, that looks like a pretty good short. Not financial advice, but very bearish indicators. Looks like a good short play. Wow. I'm going to have to consider this one. I'm with you on this one. Short apes together strong.
Apes together strong!
And DD. Are you going to short DD? This looks like a long play, honestly. I'd probably go long right here, over shorting. This probably is going to come back to 1460. This looks like the bottom. It looks like a reversal right here. It looks like a cup. I mean, there's only a couple of days of data, but it looks like 11 was the bottom. Rainbow is the new black. Yeah. I should get like a rainbow meme. That's a good idea. I got the bear sound. Verb had some kind of partnership. Did it? Shop.com partners with Verb Technology to launch Shop Live, equipping each global distributor with their own live interactive streaming channel, letting customers purchase products on the spot. Okay. So I guess the pump was justified today. It wasn't just for no reason. There was positive news, but yeah, either way, still looks like a good short play. So people bought in on the good news, and it's probably going to come back down. Well, it only went up. Well, what's it up now? It finished at 12%. So, you think it's going to tank? I don't know, man. Kind of looks like a bullish chart, but I'd stay away from that one. You know, it's a new IPO, so I don't like making plays on those, and it's a Chinese stock. There's still a lot of FUD surrounding that. So I wouldn't go for DD, honestly, but Verb looks like a good short. What's a Verb at currently? So Verb's up 27% right now. Oh, shit. WHLM. I just checked WHLM. This is... Oh, my God. This is mooning in the aftermarket. Huh. $8. Wow. Gonna keep an eye on this one. WHLM. Yeah, well, hey, if you want to short DD, do it at your own risk, man. Looks pretty risky. But I can get behind Verb. I'm gonna look more into Verb after the show. It looks like a pretty good short play. I might do that myself. But yeah, anything else, guys? Otherwise, I'm gonna sign out. See if anything is running in the aftermarket here. Yeah, SGOCO, that's running. Thoughts on Viacom? Well, I'm gonna give you a biased answer because I bought a F ton of leaps on Viacom, but the market makers don't want us to win. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a biased answer, just straight up, because I have a position in this stock. I have a lot of options, a lot of leaps for this, and I don't go long. Very rarely. Yeah, look at that. Look at the cup and handle. Look at that. The market makers can't keep it down forever. But yeah, this gap up, or the gap down at 90, makes me hard. I'm just looking at that like, no, this makes no sense, you know. Paramount Plus is a great service. Has a lot of content. You know, Viacom CBS is the last big streaming service not to get acquired. So hopefully, you know, there's a lot of merger talk. Merger/acquisition talk. Amazon might buy them. Apple might buy them. Even NBC might buy them. So a lot of bullish sentiment there. Gap down at 90, and you know, there was an offering done at 85, and institutions bought this at 85, and then, you know, dumbass Bill Wong wanted to borrow $60 billion on leverage and F the whole stock up. Yeah, I didn't think it consolidated for this long. I got in at like way back here when this first happened in like April. I've been holding this since April. It's been going nowhere. But yeah, you know, look, huge. This is not a cup and handle. This is like a tub and handle right here. So and the average price target is like 50, I think. Although I personally think it's worth way more than 50. So yeah, biased answer, but I love this stock.
We like to stop.
So, you know, just gotta wait on. I'm not even without an acquisition, even without a merger. This stock is way undervalued, way undervalued. And you know, Bill Wong was not a dumb guy. I mean, I guess he kind of was. He was just a gambling addict. But Bill Wong thought this was worth $100. Whoever bought this at 85, a lot of, you know, price offering, a lot of institutions bought this at 85. This looks like some big manipulation here. I don't want to cry conspiracy theory, but how is this being held down for this long? But I'm holding. I really like this stock. And we got gassed. We thought it hit 86. It hit like 80, or it hit 48 at one point. Oops. Jim Cramer said in the fall this is probably gonna run, but yeah, you know, it's been pretty painful holding this for months and no price action, but I believe this is, the fundamentals are there. You know, great financials. Paramount Plus is like #1 on the App Store. Great content on Paramount Plus. Got a lot of movies, TV shows, you know, MTV, Nickelodeon, BET, Showtime. What else they got? They got a bunch of other channels. Yeah. Do I have shares or options? I got Leaps 2023 options. I usually don't go long on shares. If I rarely go long, and when I do, it's options. Not saying you should do that, but I'm well aware of the risk, okay? I put 10K in this. If this doesn't... I mean, I got 2023 Leap, so I'm not worried at the moment. But, yeah, I'm okay losing 10K. Because I'm pretty confident about this. So... yeah, so if this does in fact hit, I bought them at 90, which is like pretty out there. But I bought them at 90 because of the gap down, and eventually the market makers are going to want their money back. So this cannot be suppressed for that long. This has to move up sooner or later. It just hasn't. But I believe if this hits, I'm going to be rolling in attendees. Like honestly, this is like the second best streaming service. Well, I would say third. I would say Netflix, then Disney Plus. Actually, like Disney Plus more than Netflix. But after that, yeah, Viacom, Paramount Plus. Like Discovery is pretty ass. Discovery Plus. Well, now it's Discovery HBO Max or whatever. I really think Apple or Amazon is gonna buy them out, because Apple TV sucks, or Apple Plus. What is it called? Apple Plus. VRPX, you are scaring me. Oh, shit. Ah. Not good, not good. Not good at all. Wow. Wow. Well, I'm going to hold for now. That is disgusting. Wow. Diamond hands. Diamond hands. I don't even want to look at this. But, yeah. My attendees. What's up, CDRO? Yeah. I was up 300. Now I'm probably down 200. There it goes. And it keeps going. I might have to cover at 9. If this goes past 9, I'm not with it. I'm out. Disgusting. Look at the 1 minute chart. Yeah, right now RSI on the 1 minute chart is at 77, so. Wow, it hit 840? Holy crap. So right now on the 1 minute chart, this is overbought, so I'm not sweating this just yet. But that is insane. What the hell? I hope it's just covering. It's just covering, you know, everyone's covering for their... I don't think this is a squeeze. It just looks like covering. But, yeah, if this goes to 9, I might have to cover. 80 RSI right now. I'm not worried just yet. But I was not expecting that. It hit 650, and it's up to 8 now. Amazing. Yeah, the universe, the market makers are conspiring against me. They don't want me to make tendies. Well, this is the risky run. Well, yeah, CDRO, glad you can catch the end of the show. You know, we're just chilling right now. Yeah, that sucks, but I made $600 on WORX today. So if this hits 9, I'll just have to cover, and then I'll be even for the day. So not too worried just yet. But this is good. Yeah, they are watching the show. I needed to add the Bogdanov meme. The Bogdanov meme. He shorted. Pump it, pump it, pump it. This is insane. And there's no volume either. What is this? There's no volume. Come on. Fluke. It's fake. Fake news. Well, yeah, I'm down a couple $100 on this. Good. Well, oh well. That's how it goes. Well, anything else, guys? Otherwise, I'm going to sign out. Yeah, RSI's at 75. There's no way this is going to hold. Watch, it's going to explode. Excellent show. Appreciate that, man. Glad you came. Glad all you guys. I appreciate all you guys for attending the show today. Look at Verb tomorrow. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. Yeah, well, the top of the cup is 310, and it's at 310 right now. Yeah, this looks like a short play. Oh, yeah. So percentage-wise, what is that? That's up 32% right now. More than that. 40%. It's up 40%. Uh-oh. VRPX is at 840. Diamond balls. Diamond balls. All right. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Yeah, looking really nasty. It was really suspicious when I got filled on my shares so easily. Diamond balls. Diamond balls. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. CDRO, appreciate that, man. I'm glad you can make the end of the show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.